Good morning, students. Now we were doing determiners. Still, our determiners lesson 1 is only going on. Now we will just brush up what we did in determiners. Determiners, we did the types. What are the types of determiners? In which the first type was articles, right? We finished off with articles a, an, and the. We also did repetition of articles, omission of articles, and all the rules wherein you use articles at proper places. We also solved the exercises related to this. Then further, we also did demonstratives, that is this, that, these, those, where to use them in the sentences. Further, we solved the exercise related to that. Then we did possessives. Possessives are something which show the possession, belonging. That also we did. We finished off with the exercise 5, which belongs to possessives. Then we did distributives, that is either, neither, each, every. That we did all the rules and the exercises related to it last time. Now today we start with quantifiers. Quantifiers are nothing but words which show you quantity. Quantifiers are something which show you quantity. Now let us read what are quantifiers. Quantifiers: some, any, much, many, several, a lot of, etc. Right? These are quantifiers. Look at these sentences. Many trees have been thoughtlessly cut down. I had to face a lot of trouble in reaching your house. Some medicines have serious side effects. Have you read any new novels recently? He takes no interest in his business. Our success is the result of much planning. The words printed in bold letters are all quantifiers, right? Here you can just go through many, a lot of, some, any, no, much. All these are quantifiers. They tell you the quantity or number of the given noun. Now quantifiers tell us something about number or quantity. Quantifiers like many and several suggest number. They are used with the countables, right? In these are also, there are different types of quantifiers. Some are used with countables, some are used with uncountables, right? So underline this. Underline this point. Quantifiers tell us something about number and quality, and quantifiers like many and several suggest the number. They are used with the countables. For example, many pens, several trees. Write down all this. Then second point is quantifiers like much and little suggest quantity. They are used with the uncountables, right? Uncountable nouns we did. Much ink, a little rice, right? So they are uncountables. You cannot say one rice or one ink, right? So, or many ink or several rice, that you cannot say. So you use quantifiers like much and little with them. Quantifiers like some and any can be used with both the countables and the uncountables. Some books, some tea, any shirts, any bread, right? This can be used with mostly both the things, countables as well as uncountables. Now some and any. Some and any can refer to both quantity and number. Write down the point only. Write down only 2 examples with it so that you will understand how some and any is used. Here also write down one example for each, some and any. Here much. Okay, here you write down both the examples. In this one you would write only 2 examples. Here you write only 2 examples. Some is used in affirmative sentences. We have invited some friends to tea. I need some paper to write on. Right? Write down the first example. Any is normally used in negative sentences. जहाँ पे आपको negative meaning निकलता है वहाँ पे any use होता है. हम उसका use देखेंगे. The employees haven't done any work since morning. अब इसका negative meaning होता है कि उन्होंने सुबह से कुछ काम नहीं किया है, right? So normally in negative places when we want to make the use of quantifiers, we use any. Second example is Tashi hasn't made any friends so far. Again, this is also negative. उसने कोई friends अभी तक बनाए नहीं हैं. So when you have to point out something negative, you use any. Both say some and any can be used in interrogative sentences. Some and any दोनों interrogative में use होता है. Interrogative are what type of sentences? Questions are called interrogative sentences. जहाँ पे हम question पूछते हैं which end in question marks, we use some and any both there. If we expect any answer in yes, we use some. If we expect an answer in no, we use any. Right? जब हमको एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कि येस में आंसर मिलेगा तो हम सम यूज़ करते हैं. जब हमको एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कि हमको नो में आंसर मिलेगा तो वी यूज़ एनी, बिकॉज एनी इज नॉर्मली यूज्ड इन नेगेटिव सेंस दैट वी स्टडीड अर्लियर, राइट, नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेज में. या नाउ लेट अस रीड फर्दर. आई एम फीलिंग वेरी थर्स्टी, कुड यू गिव मी सम वाटर. अब ये पॉजिटिव सेंस में हुआ, वो पूछ रहा है, दे इज रिक्वेस्टिंग दैट कैन आई गेट सम वाटर, राइट. एंड कैन यू डू दिस वर्क योर सेल्फ, डू यू नीड एनी हेल्प. आपको अकेले करने के लिए बोला है, आपको कोई हेल्प की जरूरत है, मतलब इसका एक्सपेक्टेशन नो है. आंसर जो मिलेगा वो उसका एक्सपेक्टेशन नो है. यहाँ पे जो आंसर मिलेगा उसका एक्सपेक्टेशन येस है. तो इन दैट केसेस वेर यू एक्सपेक्ट एन आंसर एज येस, यू यूज सम, whereas in the other thing you use no. Sorry, in other thing you use any. Sometimes any can also be used to mean if it does not matter which one or who or when, right. Sometimes any is also used which one or when. You give me any pen you can spare. any pen कोई भी दे दो, right. जरूरी नहीं कि यही चाहिए वही चाहिए. My doors are always open for you. You can come any time. किसी भी टाइम आप आ सकते हो, right. So the doors will be always open. So in such things also we use any. The exercise further. Exercise 7. Fill in the blanks with some or any. Let us do it. Number 1. I do not think you will have dash more trouble from him. Any more trouble, right? Some more trouble is not proper. I doubt if there are dash good storybooks in the library. Any good storybooks. Could you give me dash idea when this vacancy will be filled? Any idea? Then fourth one, buy dash dash shirt. Any shirt. Some shirt नहीं होता है. They are all made from superior quality cloth. Do you have dash money with you? Some money. Here you can say some money because money here is used as uncountable. Some money with you. Should I give you any? Right? If you have dash questions, you can ask them now. Any questions, if you have any questions, you can ask them now. These checks can be cashed at any branch of the bank. Dash jobs can be handled only with patience and tact. Some jobs, right? Now let us move on to much, many. Much is used before the uncountables, that is a large quantity of. Examples, much labor or much joy. Write one example. Many is used before countables in a phrasal in a plural number, large number. Many students. Now let us read. Little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few. Now the few here, where it is essential, you have to use the article the before it, right? Then only it makes complete sense. Or the there. So you have to use this together. Now let us do the read further. Little, a little, the little denote quantity that are used before uncountables. This is important. They are used to denote quantity and used before uncountables. Few, a few, the few denote number and are used before countables and the plural number. Little, not much, hardly any, it is used almost in the negative sense. There was little support for the strike. That means what? Hardly any, right? A little, at least some, though not much. At least some. A little means at least some, but not much. Not fully supported, right? We still have a little money with us. We can buy a decent dinner. The little. The whole quantity through though very little, right? The whole quantity is taken into account, but very little. The little rice that the shopkeeper offered me was of an inferior quality. उसके पास थोड़ा ही था जो उसने मुझे दिया, बट वो थोड़ा सा भी जो था वो भी अच्छा नहीं था. Then few, not many, almost none, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं, almost zero. This TV channel is not good. It shows few good programs. मतलब few good मतलब एकदम से ज़्यादा नहीं, नियरली कुछ भी नहीं, एक आध दो ही मुश्किल से दिखाता है. अ फ्यू, सम, एट लीस्ट, दो नॉट मेनी. अ फ्यू मीन्स थोड़ा, थोड़े से, तीन चार सही, बट ज़्यादा नहीं. लास्ट इवनिंग आई वेंट टू द सिटी सेंटर विथ अ फ्यू फ्रेंड्स. द फ्यू, ऑल ऑफ देम. दो, वेरी फ्यू, सारे, जितने भी हैं उसमें से सारे. डिस्पाइट, बहुत कम. The few trees left on the hillside do not bear any fruit. Right? Now you will understand the use of these as and when you will use them in the exercises. So let us do the exercise. Exercise 8. Fill in the blanks with much, many, little, a little, the little, few, a few, or the few. More than one answer is possible in certain cases. कुछ जगह पे आप दो भी use कर सकते हो. It is possible to use two. Both are correct there. Now let us read. I did not have dash problem. So it will be much problem. Many problem नहीं बोल सकते हो. Because problem is an uncountable, right? In locating your house. But the train was late by dash minutes. Few minutes. Some minute नहीं बोल सकते हो आप इधर. Right? Minutes is countable, that is why. Besides, we had to wait at quite dash red light signals. Red light signals countable है, so a few red light signals. एक से ज़्यादा है, पर कुछ है, right? बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. So I got late, right? Now further, I am facing dash problem in dealing with your son Somesh. Much problem या a little problem. A little यानी थोड़ा सा, much यानी थोड़ा बहुत, right? That way both the things mean the same, but it is both, using both is correct. Here it is unfortunate that he takes dash interest in his studies. Little interest, few नहीं हो सकता है, because interest is an idea or a quality, right? It is an abstract noun, so you have to use it is uncountable, that is why we use little there. Usually he does not do his homework, and on some days dash homework he has done in full of mistakes, is full of mistakes. The little homework, जो भी वो करता है वो mistakes से भरा हुआ होता है. The little homework मतलब the क्यों use किया इधर, because वो जो करता है उस homework के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम in particular. So the little homework, जो थोड़ा करता है वो, right? So that is why we use the before little. Now Neha says, ma'am, dash students have not understood this chapter. Many students, right? काफ़ी सारे हैं क्लास के अंदर पर उनको समझ में नहीं आया. They find it dash difficult, a little difficult, थोड़ा difficult है. Teacher, there must be at least dash students who have understood it. अब ज़्यादा लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया तो कितने लोगों को समझ आया, कुछ कम लोगों को. So it will be a few. It is here a I have written above. A few students who have understood it. Then Neha, yes ma'am, but they are very few. Right? कुछ ही है इसीलिए very few. Now teacher says, I would be happy if the few students, कौन से few students, जो अभी नेहा ने बोला वो वाले few students जिनको lesson समझ में आया है वो few. So इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पर the use किया. The few students who have understood it explain it to the rest of the class, right? So write the answers here and we stop here today. Exercise 9 we will do it next time. 9 and 10 we will do it and finish off the lesson here, right? We stop here now. And fill in the blanks you just write down in the textbook itself. No need to write down and copy down the entire exercises in your notebook. Keep the filling the blanks in your textbook only. You can refer and read them. Write down the examples which I have made you underline. Wherever I have made you underline, that you please write. The rules also please write in your notebook, right? And exercises, just check your answers with my answer keys and write the correct answers in your textbook so that you should not make mistakes while reading, right? We finish here.